Alright guys, GD Gardens here. We're gonna get some really strong winds. Really strong, maybe 20, 30 mile per hour winds. There was a little, probably slight winds just blowing. But yeah, right now right now it has been the high for normally, but this is the low. Today it's gonna be up to 70. Oh, feels chilly still, but I mean, it'll get warmer. So, oh yeah, there some winds. It feels like spring. It's so warm. I guess as you could call this spring. It's been so warm and everything. This is basically spring. Yeah, you see the wind blowing. Oh, excuse me, I'm yawning. But focus. That is insane, isn't it? But